I wanna know. I wanna know.
Done Robin, half a chair. Say pull up that tune on my general. A bad tune, my youth. Yeah, man. That's cool, no, man. Ready one. No, man, I hear some reality off, man. A good man charge it. That's cool, no, man. Charge everything, govern, man. Yeah, man. Ready? Yeah, go, mama. Ready? Girls, do I go on the radio now? Because be a thing I go on, you know.
Just touched down like NASA.
Big like the mafia, big like the mafia, big like the mafia, big like the mafia.
Hello?
Yo, cab me left with white like a car now, I'm gonna need it like now, you know, brother.
Yeah. You know, say I'm gonna come back for that tomorrow, because
Yo,
I
have work a morning, what you tell me say about tomorrow? You pass me, stop, you tell me.
I'm come on 5-1.
What you say,
Afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, officer. I will stop me for what I do.
Right here. License and registration for me.
License and registration for what, officer? What I do?
Come out of the car.
Come out of the car for what, officer? What I do? I shoot him, shoot up the car? Shoot up the car for what? We are shoot up the car for?
Come out of the car!
Come out of the car for what? I say a taxi me around the car and I go on my business. What me I do? What me I do?
What you can do for yourself?
Hold on.
How are this? Taxi boy, how are this? What did you just give me? What about that? What that? Soup say. Not less than $1, you know. You better find change, you know. I'm not change for that, you know. Find change in the taxi boy.
Hold on. I want 100, that's what I heard. Watch out now. Good.
Enough this, you know.
Alright, officer.
Enough this, man.
Alright.
Long time I show out this, man.
Yeah, that me I show you, man. Whenever the thing never forgot, so officer, man.
Do.
Alright. Respect, officer.
Where you go with that? Your blood pressure high?
My brother.
Soup, not less than $1. Soup, take the money before them.
Listen. Get away from me, man. Get away from me, man. Me tell you nothing less than $1,000. Where you going with that? That can't even buy chicken feed, brother. Jesus. Oh, you're so incompetent, man. Get out of my face, man. Get out of my face. Oh, me saying if you do one simple thing I couldn't even... Jesus. No, sir. If you want a job done, you have to just do it yourself.
Big Ben spark up. 6 out here where you live. Cheap and clean, they are arcade. A girl look me up and tell me say she not beard.